Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Office 365, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Office 365, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft homepage. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Microsoft account email address associated with your Office 365 subscription. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the provided field. Click on Sign In to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Office 365 app you wish to activate. This could be Word, Excel, or any other Office application. If you see a prompt to install Office, click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the Office installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. If prompted, grant permission to run the installer. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, open any Office application. You will see a welcome screen. Click on Activate. You may be prompted to sign in again with your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once signed in, your Office 365 will automatically activate. If you encounter a prompt for a product key, enter the key that came with your purchase. After verification, your Office suite will be fully activated. You can now use all the features of Office 365. Remember to keep your Microsoft account details safe for future access. You're now ready to start working with Office 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.